Alright guys, if you're having trouble with your nose presses or just wanted to try one for the first time, I've got a few tips for you that might help you out. Alright, so nose press is pretty simple, there's not much to it, just a lot of practice. We're going to start by having a nice gentle approach of the rail to keep tension in the rope. Once we get on the rail, we want to get really low, and we're just going to try and lean over our front foot as hard as possible. It's going to feel kind of awkward at first, so just keep practicing, and the more comfortable you get, the more we're going to be able to lean over our front foot. And then from there, if we try and keep a little bit of bend in our arm and really try and drop the handle a bit lower, we're going to be able to lean even further over our front foot because we kind of have a leverage point with our arm. And that's pretty much it really, just practice it on all of the rails, all of the pipes, just get as comfortable as you can in that position, and then the more you do it, the more you're going to be able to lean over your front foot and hopefully get a better nose press.